morning students, how are you? Today we will start with next chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. So we will start introduction to this chapter. In previous class also you have done 6 figures. First one is cuboid shape. All faces of cuboid are in the shape of rectangle. CSA means curved surface area, or you can say lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is what? In this you can write 2 into this one also I am explaining to you regarding CSA. First one TSA 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay student. So here you can left this one top portion and bottom portion. This one is what? You know very well. This one is L, this one is B, this one is H. Okay, so in downward rectangle, L in this one 2LB 2BH plus 2HL. So this one portion top and bottom you can left, these two only you can include. So in this what you will write? 2H is common, L plus B means perimeter of rectangle multiply by height. So this one is what student? CSA of cuboid. Volume is what? L into B into H. Length into breadth into height. Second one figure, you know, cube. In cube all faces are in the shape of square. All faces are in the shape of square. So here CSA 4 into side square, TSA 6 into side square, and volume side raised to power 3 side cube. So after this third one you can take cone. Like this birthday cap example. So in cone student CSA is pi RL, TSA pi r into L plus R. Volume is 1 by 3 of pi r square H. Then next one is of cylinder. Pipe. Example is pipe like this. Here student CSA is 2 pi RH. TSA is 2 pi r into R plus H. Volume is pi r square H. Then next one is of sphere. Like this. Sphere, example ball, 4 pi r square. Here also 4 pi r square. And student, here you can write 4 by 3 pi r cube. Sixth one is hemisphere. Like this. So CSA is 2 pi r square, TSA is 3 pi r square, and volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Exercise 13.1 to 13.3. 13.1 to 13.3, you will use these 6 formulas only. These 6 formula. Last exercise 13.4 based on frustum of cone. Frustum of cone. So student, at that time I will explain frustum formula. Shape like this only. So at that time I will explain. See beta, exercise 13.1, question number 1. 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube joined end to end. 2 cubes, see figure. Like this, one cube also joined to this. Shape become of cuboid. So 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So you can write cube volume 64 centimeter cube. Cube volume, side cube, 4 cube. Cube cancel with cube. Side of cube 4 centimeter. Now cuboid dimension you can see 4 centimeter. This one 4 plus 4 8 centimeter, and height as it is same 4 centimeter. So you can write resulting cuboid dimensions are 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Therefore, surface area, if they can ask only surface area, you can think about only TSA, total surface area, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2, 8 into 4, 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8, 32, 8, 4, 4, 4, 8 and 4, 32 plus 16 plus 32, 32, 32, 64, 64, 16, 80, 82 are 160 centimeter square become our answer. Now see question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So you can draw figure like this. Hemisphere, this one, and one cone like this. So student, this one diameter is given 14 centimeter, then radius become 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Total height is how much given? 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. So student, till here to here is only 7. 13 minus 7. So cone height become how much? 13 minus 7, 6 centimeter. Now all values we are having, so they are asking find the inner surface area. So start with, according to question, required area is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. CSA of cone. Wait a minute beta, here they are asking regarding not cone, they are asking regarding cylinder. So this one, see once again hemisphere, this one cylinder. Now vessel become na, if we will put anything. So here diameter is given how much? 14. Then radius become 7 centimeter. So this one total height is 13. So this one become 13 minus 7, 6 centimeter. So now you can write cone not given, this one cylinder is given. So change with cylinder. Required area CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH. So 2 pi r you will take common, r plus h. Put values 2 into 22 by 7, 7 by 1, r 7, height 6, 7 cancel with 7, 44 into 13, 7 plus 6, 13. So answer you will get 13 for the 52, 5, 13 for the 52, 5, 72 centimeter square become our answer. So student, complete this one till question number 2.